there's actually a jurisprudence system within Freemasonry to allow brothers to actually have any kind of grievances they might have redressed through the fraternal organization. This is not something tied to like civil law. This is tied to Masonic law.
Okay.
So if you have a brother that you think has wronged you in some way, first of all, you should try to figure it out before it ever gets to the level of taking it to the fraternal jurisprudence. But once you've exhausted all your options in that regard, there are things to follow and processes to follow of doing that. Starting with filing charges. You'd file a charge, and then the charges would be responded to, just like any other kind of jurisprudence operations. You would be granted a trial if it needed to be. If the trial is usually done by your lodge where the charges were filed. If you don't think the accused brother could get a fair trial in that, we can do it by tribunal. We can do it in any number of different ways. We can make adjustments like a venue change or something like that in civil law. So even in Michigan Masonic law, you have options on how that trial is conducted. You can have it as a regular trial within the lodge. You can do it posing evidence with rebuttal in front of a tribunal. And then the tribunal or the lodge makes a judgment on that, whether they say that the brother is guilty of this Masonic offense or the brother is not guilty. If